Hey people, today I'll be doing an aloe vera deep cleansing conditioner. Here's what you'll need: aloe vera, of course, an egg, and extra virgin olive oil or any other oil that you'd like to use. So first, I'm starting off by cutting the sides of the aloe vera off and then removing the top layer. After that, we're going to cut out the jelly-like meat from the aloe vera, and that's what we'll be using. Please ensure that you cut all the way down to the skin so that you get as much out of it as possible. I used 2 stalks of aloe vera to make this conditioner, and this is basically the amount that I got from it. After this, I'm just going to add all my ingredients to the blender: the egg, the aloe vera, and 2 tablespoons of the olive oil. Then I'm just going to blend this for about 30 seconds. And disclaimer guys, please make sure that you strain the mixture before applying it to your hair. You'll see the disaster that happened. So now I'm just showing you the consistency of the mixture. I just parted my hair down in the middle, and first I start off by massaging it into my scalp. Then I basically just apply it throughout my hair and ensure that the tips of my hair and the roots were saturated enough. The mixture of the aloe vera smelled terrible to me, and I hated how it smelled, and it was just so disgusting to me. I just didn't want it to touch me or anything at all. So that's why I was acting like that. On average, you can leave this mixture in your hair for about 30 minutes and then wash it out with mild shampoo. But I decided to leave it in my hair overnight, so I put my hair up in a bun, wrap it in a plastic bag, and then slept with it throughout the night and washed it out the next day. So this is what my hair looks like the following day before washing it out. You can clearly see that there is a whole bunch of probes in my hair, and it was hell to wash out. My hair is full of luster and it looks really healthy, and afterwards my hair was so soft, like so soft, like the softest it has ever felt to me, like ever. It was just great, so I'd recommend this to anybody.